that America became the power in 1944 with the Bretton Woods Agreement. And then this dollar became the reserve currency of the world. In other words, the dollar was as good as gold. That's all changed. And today we're in serious trouble globally, and I'm very concerned. The end of the American empire is here.
Famed writer and economist Robert Kiyosaki has warned investors that the stock markets are about to crash and the U.S. economy is heading into a depression. The co-author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad predicts that this will be driven by the U.S. Federal Reserve printing billions of fake money. Robert Kiyosaki asserts that gold and silver are considered as real money in contrast to the dollar, which he characterizes as fake money. Kiyosaki contends that gold and silver hold global value due to their limited supply, inability to be artificially produced, and widespread recognition. In a recent tweet, Kiyosaki made a prediction that silver would reach $75 and gold would reach $3,800 by 2023. So before we move towards the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our new interesting and informative videos. Let's take a look at Robert's viewpoint on real and fake money.
You know, people know that something's wrong with this here. But anyway, let me tell you a quick story. Because of guys like you and Kitco and all this, I became known as the precious metals guru. So I'm at Safeway at the salad bar counter, and people know something's wrong. So this is just 2 weeks ago. I'm standing at Safeway getting some coleslaw from the women, and they come running up and they said, "What should we invest in? What should we invest in?" So I just happened to get this thing here from, it's a pre-64 quarter. This is real. This is real silver. I got this from American Gold Exchange. And Dana Samuelson, I'm giving it a plug.
And what's the date on it there?
64.
64.
I started investing in silver when I was 17 years old. So today, I pat myself on the back. I probably have more gold and silver than most of the experts here, because that was 60 years ago. So I showed the little women this coin here. I just happened to have it.
At the salad bar?
No, I wasn't selling it. I just happened to have it because Dana sent it to me from Austin, Texas. And there were women were asking me, said, "What's the best investment?" Because real estate's coming down, stocks are coming down. And I held this, I held it up. And the little women, they were all tithers. "Oh, I should invest in that?" I said, "Yes." "Give me this." So they looked at me and said, "Give you $3 for that?" I said, "Yes." And their brains went, "Why would I give you $3 for that?" I said, "Okay, give me $2. And their brains are going, "Why would we give you $2 for that?" This is pre-64 silver. Lynette Zhang, she's also from Arizona, she's numismatic. So I was holding this up here like this. And they went, they're all a tither. They forgot to serve my coleslaw. And they said, "Why should we give you $2 for this?" I said, "Because it's worth this." And this is the problem. The average person, American or whatever, they think this is money. This is fake money. This is real money.
Kiyosaki believes that Bitcoin will be the only standing cryptocurrency, citing regulatory backing. Robert said, "I like Bitcoin. I call it people's money. Now, I don't know much about Bitcoin, but I'm just glad I bought it at 6. That's all I know right now." Kiyosaki also predicted that Bitcoin would reach $500,000 by 2025, while gold and silver would hit price points of $5,000 and $500 respectively. He attributed these projections to the expected erosion of trust in the US dollar, which he referred to as fake money. Kiyosaki further emphasized that Bitcoin is a currency for the people, while gold and silver are God's money. Let's shift our focus to Kiyosaki's discussion on Bitcoin.
In financial education, there's fundamental trading and technical. Technical is up and down. So when I saw Bitcoin go to 20,000, I don't know what it was. Then it dropped down to $1, so what's toast? But then it came roaring back. So when it hit 6,000, I bought 60 Bitcoin at 6,000. I think today it's at 20,000.
Yeah, it's around about 21,000.
Yeah, but so the more I'm in it, the more I realize it has sustainability. So the reason people buy Bitcoin is the same reason I buy this, and I buy this, is I don't trust this. It's the same reason. I want to say one last thing. I mean, these academic geniuses like Bernanke, the PhDs from academia, he destroyed our economy. Bernanke destroyed our economy by dropping interest rates so low and printing money. Now we're the biggest debtor nation in world history, and they give him the Nobel Prize. What is wrong with our country? What is wrong with us? And we're supposed to be the reserve currency of the world after 1944. Why don't we teach kids that? Why don't we teach them it's a 1619 project which changes history? Why is our education system so corrupt? But that's the story of rich dad, poor dad.
Kiyosaki previously advised investors to steer clear of paper currency and instead invest in gold, citing a bleak economic forecast. He pointed out that central banks' continued accumulation of gold underscores the metal's potential. Kiyosaki tweeted that the Vancouver Resources Investor Conference in BC, Canada, is a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs and investors. Currently, gold, silver, copper, and lithium are among the most promising investment options.
So I would come to the VRIC or any one of these conferences because this is global money. And to be good at gold, you better understand the world. This here is global money, it's silver. So today I'm learning about lithium and silver and copper because it's resources. But mining is one of the toughest industries there is because there's so many moving parts to it. And what's happening now, from what I understand, is people are not investing in gold mines. So I took a gold mine public. ODV is a call sign. It's in Utah. And it's the richest gold mine in America.
Kiyosaki posted a tweet on Friday in which he conveyed his belief that the traditional advice of saving money and investing in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs is risky, especially in today's unstable times. He also mentioned that he still thinks gold, silver, and Bitcoin are the best options for such uncertain times, even though their prices may fluctuate. He believes that investors should invest in what they love.
Well, I'm the wrong guy to ask because I don't trust the stock market. I used to be invited on to CNBC. But when I went on last time, I said, I don't invest in anything you can print. That includes this. I don't trust stocks and I don't trust bonds. But I say I don't invest in anything they can print. I don't invest in this, stocks, bonds, ETFs. I'm an entrepreneur. I start gold mines, I start oil wells. I invest in cattle, Wagyu cattle.
Yeah.
You know why? Because every time the that the Wagyu bull breeds, I get cash flow. I trust the Wagyu cattle more than Joe Biden. They made gold money.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, I mean,
They're
as you
so
say,
stupid. These central bankers are the most stupid people I've ever met. Like Bernanke, he gets the Nobel Prize for destroying the US economy by dropping interest rates to zero like this. And then now you have this guy, Jay Powell, who's raising interest rates. They're killing us.
Kiyosaki has been recommending gold, silver, and Bitcoin for quite some time. He don't believes in dollars. What, in your opinion, is the most effective method for investing money? We would love to know your viewpoint, so please share it in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.